I know your images and thumbnail is so boring and blurry and no one want to click on it. Yes, I have a solution of your problem, but first watch it. Yes, in this video I show you how do you enhance your images. First of all, open any browser and search Kriya.ai. Open the first link. Here you see a lot of tools, but I don't need it. I want to enhance my images. For this, first you need to click on sign in. And now click on continue with Google and continue. Here is the main interface. I want to enhance my images. For this, click on run. And now click here to import your image. I select this image and hit open. Now here the generating auto prompt. Now hit 16x and click on enhance. And here you see your image is now ready. Now simply download your image. And yes, I want to enhance my another image which have same technique to follow it to enhance your images. This video gave you little help. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.